Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the night shift mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To clear this mission, you need to complete two main requirements. Patrol in the downtown area for 30 minutes and arrest 10 syndicates during the night time. First, if you open up your map, you will see that the area around the bank is called downtown. To get the patrol requirement done, you just need to spend a total of 30 minutes in this area while playing as a cop. You can spend this time actively hunting criminals or simply standing around. Just make sure you stay within the downtown boundary until the timer hits 30 minutes. Next, for the 10 syndicate arrests at night, you need to make sure you arrest them specifically when it turns nighttime inside the game. Since night cycles don't last very long, I recommend getting help from a friend to speed things up. Have your friend go to their home spawn location and meet them there. This way, every time you knock them down and arrest them, they will immediately respawn right in front of you. Keep repeating this process throughout the night until you hit all 10 arrests. Once both trackers are filled, head over to the police station, speak with NPC Bert, turn in the mission and claim your rewards. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.